Ever wonder how that thick black crude oil turns into clean diesel that powers your engine? Today we are going to break down the amazing process that transforms raw oil into the fuel you rely on every day. First, crude oil is gathered from underground through drilling. This thick dark substance consists out of a mixture of hydrocarbons with varying chain lengths. The first step is a separation process called distillation. This is a process where a chemical mixture is separated into different fractures based on their different boiling points. The distillation process separates the crude oil into various fractions, such as gasoline, kerosene, and heavy fuel oil. But we are interested in the diesel fuel, which boils at a temperature between 180 degrees Celsius and 360 degrees Celsius. After distillation, the diesel fraction often contains impurities, including sulfur, nitrogen, and aromatic compounds that make the fuel less desirable. Thus, we purify the diesel with hydroprocessing, including hydrotreating and hydrocracking. Hydrotreating involves reacting the diesel fraction with hydrogen in the presence of a catalyst. This removes sulfur and nitrogen, producing cleaner diesel with lower sulfur content. Hydrocracking is a process where heavier hydrocarbons are broken down into lighter, more useful products. It involves cracking larger molecules with the help of heat, pressure, and hydrogen. The last step is more for perfectionists. Once the diesel has been treated and purified, it is often blended with various additives to improve performance. Additives can help with cetane number, lubricity, stability, and other properties of the fuel. This is an important step to enhance the fuel's compatibility for engines. The cetane number is a measure of the fuel's ignition quality and affects engine performance. A higher cetane number generally means smoother engine operation. Here is a quick summary of the main steps. Producing diesel from crude oil is a multi-step process requiring specialized equipment and adherence to safety and environmental regulations. If you are interested in industrial refining or have any specific questions about one of the steps, feel free to ask.